Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa search name mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell na so for more news. Oti region for ena omo ekase omo eto enkrawe dem omampani dada John Dramani Mahama nti omampani dada bebia wo bia somna che chene se bo won kra wade ma onyina ne se bra wo pa wo cho won pe de wo ye no na eye his excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado na membu na wone ma wo kasetia no akwanya his excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado akoye wo Volta region no omuhu bida ewo abakwasemu Ghana ha empo NDC aban na nitina kasa fi Volta region omoto aban de ema NDC no omo ba so kro omuhu sa akwan ne bi nti omampenda da John Dramani Mahama kawanutum ayasa de we hu no mpe na de na akofa ensem we nyina ba nti oti region for mu ensuo nyame eto senkra kese de mo mampende da John Dramani Mahama de akofa be nyina ne so mampende da na londa oko oti region ekoye campaign na ofiwo na oba akra ne pe e na ose so me why say oko oti kwan e no omko bi san so mampende da John Dramani Mahama COVID-19 no uhu ne say o mampende da se COVID-19 na akewia sefane ina Ghana for bi akan na ye bre because COVID-19 dey affect bia economy ne dey COVID-19 affect no omampenda da John Dramani Mahama begina Ghana o say COVID-19 bia nye hwe to omampenda da John Dramani Mahama no okwatifi ekwa hunsu na wa ba na afọ ba bisa say hwanya na okwa hunsu no sa na waye na okọ voter region koye campaign wie na obegina Accra Edo bakacha nkrafo se mko hebota region his excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado na NPP aban no omo aye hute wo ho omo aye hwe mi kan oti region fo so se kwanya wonam so a wo de koye wo campaign no se kwan no ekwan foforo kra wo ekwan na etwegu no ekwan foforo kra enche ya his excellency Nana Dankwa Kufuado COVID-19 o how na bebe se na mu na papa yi kwan ontani bebi no hye ba kase na Ghana fo so ya no ene ya se kweto akra ode akoyi kwanya omampenda da John Dramani Mahama so kofa so hu hwe na oti region for so bua you are lying the lie ela kalaka ye we kasa ela kalaka mi awoti ase o da se fikasa ne ela kalaka it was omampenda da John Dramani Mahama ela kalaka o bua na do waye dipa e wo oti region na yenti ensema omode etuya
say baby nyamo trouble baby abeda so ye ha ye fa on Facebook
no mo ye free the one the black one
yeah the black
KJB kwan yes
we know President Kufuado brace so
President Nana Dankwa Kufuado for etum asphalt
yeah
and President Kufuado anka me ko hu asphalt way this is my bank this is the hard work of the president
Krobe na namu no okay
this is just around KJB
okay
yeah from Insuta between Insuta and KJB this is just between Insuta and KJB and you right from Jessica stretch near from Jessica asphalt to the Lepesu then Kota from Jessica Ultra Bridge station one more after police station ekwa Kota this is Santo Kofi one na ateche bi na cars ekamu bukita language
asem no so wo se person be kan man for here but wo ka
yes woman bi na ofin kwenta wo ma be didwa e wa Accra usually nearby weekends obeduru guama nyame fa na kransie e na konfo e cross na e bonetio adenti because na ekwan no enye nyame fa na kransie enkwenta obi o kai woman bia o si
e fa hen so na da so ya se ho ye filling station bia car bi esi ho no mo a
na KJB kwan no
okay
tum no na KJB kwan no
okay
aha no mo ne be bia Honorable Kofi Ajayin team former first vice chairperson Oti region and the Hornum the hotel Penske hotel
okay
so that for clarification no say ekwan no ekwan dey ekwan me fa so every week yes
ya any tum yo amamu na monam so say ya
tum o mampeni Mahama so be fa so nan me o
obeduru nkra
street light also ko yan mprako
bedru nkran no say voter regi bibia oti bibia nko so ho o kan wanti
baby maintain ye se ne no ka dan mema no hu aye kota na onam so no on mo si obi na baye ye the pando ufri pando a o ba kwa me krom between Nkonya that road na eye kwan a ye fa so a che because na the main road a satoko fi kwan American Jessica odu Jessica you make a right turn either go through Rara Amanya abocha enokra no ubedru pando ne nkwadu akra
memo ato aso bad ma memfa we enhyem efri eye Saudai member of parliament the honorable Dafiama for what a project on wanya or the campaign on tie
meti se enne cho sa baya no adasem bedi ye nyina na enye ntro
entina me di hyem no twa me na me ba.
Thank you very much.
So that is by the by. In respect of Saudai, in terms of education, even though I'm an MP and an opposition MP in a government that I do not belong, I can say that I have lobbied for a lot of things for my constituency. If you go to GAFCO, for instance, in Piki, there's a 4-story Get Fund project. It's been completed for girls. They are using it. The GAFCO College Roads is being done as part of the Eastern Corridor main road works. It's never happened before, but it's happening under my watch and lobbying. I actually had to mobilize the CEO, the group CEO of First Sky, group of contractors to go there and make his own assessment and approve of the request. The same GAFCO, there's a very huge assembly hall complex which is under construction. As a result of my intervention, payment contractor is receiving payment, so the project is ongoing. That's just for GAFCO alone. If you go to Piki Secondary Technical at Wudome, there's a brand new gas dormitory constructed by Get Fund, also through my lobbying intervention. There's a twin boys hostel, also through my intervention. An assembly hall has been, an administration block has been completed, but not handed over yet. If we go to the basic schools, if we go to Chanakbe, which is my...
Udiye, voter region will fall into problem. He would not use money to fix the problem. He will spend a little money. Oh, voter for the yenye mo baye $5 kurani e yido kono chicha obi wa majrim baako. Are you kidding me? You are not ashamed as a votarian that somebody thinks your vote is worth 1 margarine, blue band margarine of rice? You are not ashamed that a president thinks, say, what dear, or ma we si chira we cool, we close. Me say me, and come ye votarian, and I'm a hammer cast asem na, come in to about my NDC, build copying down you. I just auntie, so who catch them say, who Mahama, what be the vice president? What be MP? Loans are near appropriately, and the culture in Kurasino, would him be near signing. When to me, I'm fighting for votarians. What be your vice president? One fighting for votarians. What be your president? One fighting for votarians. And then one opposition into what's the who's yours? Say, you will take care of the votarians.